Linear regression can be used for dash data. The intercept of the best fitting line in linear regression represents the expected value of the dependent variable when all predictor variables are dash. In linear regression, the residuals should ideally be dash distributed. The sum of residuals in a linear regression model is always dash. The coefficient of determination, R superscript 2, indicates the dash of the variance in the dependent variable that is predictable from the independent variables.